you want to get the students information. So in a class, if there are 50 students and just you want to get the information of the students who have failed in the examination, so you can just provide the proper key value, and then you can find out the list of students who got less marks or failed in the examination. In this vlog, we will try to see the concept of filters in Kotlin programming. So, what is a filter? In general terminology, a filter is used to filter the data based upon the requirement. For example, you want some specific type of data out of all the available data, then we can make use of filters. For example, you want to get the students information. So in a class, if there are 50 students and just you want to get the information of the students who have failed in the examination, so you can just provide the proper key value, and then you can find out the list of students who got less marks or failed in the examination. So in the same way, we will be seeing how we will use this concept in Kotlin programming. So for example, let us consider a list. So equal to, and I am considering a list of type string here, and I'm going to declare some words now. And now I want to specify few things here. So now we are having these elements inside our list. Now I just want to filter the words which contain pen. So now let us consider a variable b equal to a dot filter. So here you can see we are having different options in filter again, and let us consider it. So it represents the current value. So it will compare the current value with our key here. Dot, if our current value contains pen, then filter the data and store in our variable b. Now we need to provide a function main here and enclose our data inside the main method, and provide a print condition and try to print the variable b now. And here you can see the output. We have got all the words which contain pen. So here we are having like 7 words here, and out of which we got 3 words printed onto our console by making use of the contains here. And also you can have one more filter option here. For example, I want to get the words which are having a length of greater than 8. So now let us try to run this code and see the output. What? So only the jetter pen is having the length of more than 8 here. So the remaining words length are less than or equal to 8. So and also you are having various other options here. You can also find ends with here and specify r now. And now let us try to see what are all the words that end with r. So here you can see paper and eraser, we are having r at the end. So we have got these 2 words printed onto our console. So now let us try to see few more options what a filter can do. So let's remove this list and provide some integers this time. So I will be providing 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and also 10. So declare a variable b, and we will be filtering even numbers this time. So it percentile of 2 double equal to 0. So now try to print this, and here you will be getting a list of even numbers, and if you want odd numbers you can just make this not equal to, and now you will be getting a list of odd numbers. So these are all the general scenarios by using which we can get to know what are filters, and also you may try some more options available here. So filter index is instance, and by making use of this you can configure your filter accordingly, so that if you are having complex situations you can just make use of these options. And if you are getting any queries, and if you are having any queries in the usage, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you understand this topic. If you are watching this tutorial for the first time, I suggest you to go through our previous tutorials on Kotlin programming. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Kotlin.